transferred to the Kabaka of Buganda. However, as the review has shown, the land is private land, minor belonging to the estate of late Daudi Chwa II. I accordingly, by copy of this letter, which I'm writing right away, directing the Commissioner Land Registration to correct the register by deleting Kabaka of Uganda and reverting the land back to the administrators of the estate of Daudi Chwa. Number 2, I am directing the Commission of Land Registration to work with administrators of the estate of H.H. Daudi Chwa, not a public hearing, to work with them, to mutate and issue minor title for 100 acres to the Boy Scouts Association and the Girl Guides Association of Uganda under Boy Scouts and Girl Guides Act Cap 2044. This will ensure alignment with the legal position and the deed of donation of H.H. Daudi Chwa. I'm directing the Commission of Land Registration to mutate the issue of Mayo. I understand you have already got it, but I'm directing still. To mutate the issue and issue Mayo title to the estate of Mulangira Mawanda for the remaining 20 acres, and thereafter transfer, this one is subject to correction, transfer to Prince Namugala Mawanda Chwa, who is the rightful administrator of the personal estate of his grandfather, Daudi Chwa II, as stipulated in the deed of donation and as advised by the late Honorable Manja Kaiva. As I've said, this directive is subject to correction whether the fact of Namugala is right or the owner of those who have the letters of administration. So this is, but the principle remains. I've directed that the 20 acres be mutated from the 120 and given to the heir of Daudi Chwa. That by copy of the letter, of this letter, I am directing the Commissioner of Land Registration to correct the register and restore the 16 square miles as stated in Kabaka Edward Tesa's all the 16 square miles now which has been taken by Uganda Land Board or other entities working under them must be returned, transferred back to the estate of H.H. Daudi Chwa II. And in case those 2 square miles of Uganda Kingdom are still not yet cut off at that time, I am directing the Commissioner of Land Registration to work with administrators of the estate of H.H. Daudi Chwa II to mutate and register the 2 square miles which the late Daudi Chwa II donated to Uganda Kingdom as per the letter of Kabaka Mutesa II, which is annexed. The 2 square miles, the title to the 2 square miles shall in the meantime be under the custodian of Uganda Land Commission until the issue of legal registration of the statutory body to administer the Uganda Kingdom land as set out in Article 246, Article 3 of the Constitution has been effected. Kubanga kakati, we don't know, there's no legal body which holds the official land, the land of the cultural institution of Uganda Kingdom. There is no body, there is no statutory body. A statutory body will be set up as is required under Article 274(1) of the Constitution, which will conform any other act or law which existed before that Constitution, to conform it to the Constitution. When that body, not the Uganda Land Board Limited, the private company, when that body is formed, then these 2 square miles will now be transferred from where they are now going to be kept in the Uganda, from the Uganda Land Commission back to that body. And I direct the Commissioner of land registration to work to liaison with the lawful governing board of the Scout and Association under the Boy Scouts and Girl Act. The Registrar of Lands Registration shall work up with the lawful body governing Scouts Association, which body is under the Boy Scouts and Girl Guides Act, to agree on the terms of reinstatement of the lease titles cancelled, and reinstate the lease titles for the lawful investment company legally operating on the 100 acres of Scout Council land.